NVIDIA just announced Ising, the world's first OpenAI models built specifically for quantum computing. This isn't just incremental progress. This is a fundamental shift in how quantum computers work. Calibration time has dropped from days to just hours. Error correction is now 2.5 times faster and 3 times more accurate than previous methods. These aren't small gains. They're transformative. Harvard, Fermilab, and Lawrence Berkeley are already adopting this technology. These institutions represent the cutting edge of quantum research. They wouldn't move this fast unless something genuinely revolutionary had arrived. Quantum computing has been stuck on a plateau. The promise was always there, but the practical limitations were severe. Ising removes those barriers. By making quantum systems more reliable and faster to calibrate, NVIDIA has opened doors that were previously locked. This announcement on April 14, 2026, marks a turning point. The quantum computing era isn't coming anymore. It's here now. The institutions leading this adoption will be years ahead of everyone else. This technology will ripple through industries from cryptography to drug discovery to artificial intelligence itself. What we're witnessing is the moment quantum computing becomes practical.